Good morning, Mighty Rattlers, from me, Miss Tripto, and your entire admin team. Today is Tuesday, November 5th, 2019. Please rise and place your right hand over your heart and join me in the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing with your right hand over your heart and join me in the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Now please remain standing for a moment of silence and reflect on the great choices you will make today. Please be seated. Celebrating a birthday today, we have Emiliano Garcia in first grade and Daimara Garcia Correa in kinder. Have a happy birthday, and don't forget to come get your birthday present from my office. Today we're focusing on Rattlers being responsible. Today I will own my own learning. And idea 12, when grading others' students' papers, give only the correct grade. That way they can learn from their mistakes and do better on the actual test. All right. So I will be very honest with you guys. We have a lot of people in Academy without IDs, about 200 of you. If you gave me your $5 yesterday, then you will receive your ID in the next 2 days. But if you do not have an ID, you must get a new one as soon as possible, and we need you to keep it in a safe place so you guys do not keep losing them. Also, today is Tuesday, so that means you return to your second block for academic block, and take some time to check your uniform right now. Remember, you could have a long sleeve shirt underneath your polo, but with your polo tucked in, and you can have your idea jacket on. If you don't have one, you need to put that away into your backpack. Okay, today we have our fourth writing. We moved one more day up. Kinder math is today, and 5th grade mid-module 3 is today. Good luck on your exams. Another announcement we have is that we are going to start collecting canned goods and dry goods for our food drive for Thanksgiving. So starting tomorrow until November 20th, you can ask your parents to pretty please donate some things. Maybe some canned goods in your cabinet that aren't expired, or if you're at the store, they could pick up just a couple extra things and bring them to your grade team. We will be collecting by grade teams, and just so you know, some top 10 items that you could bring in are things like box dinners, so like hamburger helper, mac and cheese, canned meat like canned chicken, canned tuna, peanut butter, canned fruit, canned vegetables, dry pasta, baking essentials, condiments, cans of beans, things like that. You don't want anything that can get bad or that gets smelly. So just those dry goods are the best. Also, yesterday we had 38 scholars out on Monday, so that means we had a 94.3% attendance. I understand that you guys, some of you are getting sick. I'm actually not feeling so great myself, but we got to make sure we're taking lots of vitamins every day and that you're washing your hands, because there's a lot of kids in the school, a lot of germs, but we want to make sure that we are doing our very best to stay healthy. Also, make sure you're going to bed early. That's something that sometimes gets me feeling run down, is if I don't get enough sleep. So make sure you are sleeping enough as well. Okay, so shut off your phone, shut off your game console, and go to sleep. All right, an attendance challenge. Just remember, every day you're here, your name gets entered into the raffle, and we have some fun things coming up for you pretty soon. Also, Mr. McCarty has some treats for the people that hit 100% attendance every day. and He will come bring them down to you. All right, please say the Rumberg Academy chant with me. Ready, go. Rattlers are respectful. Today I will treat myself, my school, my teachers, and my classmates with kindness. Rattlers are responsible. Today I will own my own learning. Rattlers are relentless. Today I will not give up. Make it a terrific Tuesday. Remember that choice is all yours. And Rattlers, if no one else tells you today that they love you, just know that we love you and we always will. Teachers, please take a few minutes now to call parents or dojo message parents of the students that are out and message the ADA GroupMe. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and let's all try to stay healthy.